Father Mbaka ji a whole adoration program we kwu maka Evangelist Ebuka Obi ekwukwana na atụ ụga esi na akpalego mana ndị niile nọ ka ị na-eghe asị niile ahụ ya dakwụ n'elu na-asịghị ride on ọkwa na mafie amen hallelujah daddy ride on na ha ya eme nka ifunago una ya gwazi ya akanyo ya wulu nwayo. I picked so many points. Number 1 point is that Evangelist Ebuka Obi wopu picture. I myself never even noticed a picture of Father Mbaka and the Mweju. And I bet you did not notice that. I bet Nanguma non-adoration I did not even notice when all these things happened. Mbaino we malo ne yoku do between Father Mbaka and Evangelist Ebuka Obi was during the time of Ofuchalafancha and Omechalafancha. Prior to that time, can you tell me Mbwemana Father Mbaka na Ebuka Obi na enwoku? Tell me, Emaro. Mbwiji we mwalo during the time of Ofuchalafancha, Omechalafancha. Now no na to go convince and or to go confirm that actually that he was referring to Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Before then, have you ever heard Evangelist Ebuka Obi ebo na altar or anywhere make a reference to ministry Father Mbaka na Enugu? Tell me na Enugu ezioku ya kwuloto. Then when we say that he's a political father, the mother na say he's a political father. You can never tell me that he's a political stool. The government in a use no. Look at him ready to fight everybody or anybody because of Mba. Ochefuo, na the same way people should with their reservations against Mba. Would the same way Nyamwaji wenke against Shimaroke Namani then in Enugu. He was talking about now na emesha something or na peace adrodia na mbo emesha crusade in Enugu na peace odia throughout the reign of Shimaroke Namani in Enugu, onwel peace no around you. There was no single peace around you. It was everyday ogo, adarahan ogo, anabamba, even between you and your bishop, and we peace there. Even between you and your bishop who is superior, and we peace there. And we no peace at all. Between you and your bishop, and we peace. The answer is, and we no peace there. You are a political father. In a no. In a way, with if you put today in adoration, let me tell you now, pump and play for the first time. Ni a Evangelist Ebuka Obi anyoko. Happen that guy call no ministry in peace. Yes. A lot of things no in a onyo wabata or Jehovah governor. Among the men of God who ni really unonye bia na a state ebia me crusade. Ni who know in Jeff governor. I never knew. Is it because no Evangelist Ebuka Obi or any other minister we go see where the mother of my in a government house? And by the way, before Evangelist Ebuka Obi in a government house, or yaria batakwa abata, or yaria batakwa abata, before we just in a government house, he went to government house Anambra State because na governor will project. Obiare Commission. Yes, he went to government house Anambra State because na governor will project Obiare Commission. He went to Imo State because na governor will some project dokwa involved there. Lagos State ebo no na for how long? If for that na Lagos State government house. Oboso ojela Abuja efriana Sofila efriana nke any minister. But Obia crusade na Abuja, Mecha crusade na Abuja wo FCT, Federal Capital Territory. Ojefu minister of FCT. Onuna na chusuku. They say no because of not supposed to Jeff governor. You are now defending the governor of Enugu state. You are now taking side. So all go to know a quarter no Enugu na complain na governor Ahemehofuma, which is normal. You are coming now against them. You are now the best person marketing Governor Peter Mba of Enugu state. Yeah? Me fear no God though. Une is na ku wonu na you when deceive them mother. Neku your wala say you used over 45 to 1 hour out of your program na adoration ground to talk about Evangelist Ebuka Obi again. Note that Evangelist Ebuka Obi has never mentioned your name since all this saga started. It has always been you mentioning his name left, right, and center. I am saying this because of the day he will reply you from Zion. That day I will be there. I will be there to mount my guard. One day Evangelist Ebuka Obi decide there to reply you mentioning your name. What do you mean by na one name ondo? Keri ko si wekwe na one name ondo. Ona acho ko dominate ya ko possess ya alaeze. If you give a problem, okwoli Evangelist Ebuka Obi ongo muri anafo. Ongo muri anafo. Ongo ordained for ministry. Ongo anointed for ministry. Zion ministry has been in existence for over how many years before Evangelist Ebuka Obi visited Adoration Ground? The day Obi visited Adoration Ground, if he say nobody, there is no way that video and that picture you were so loud. He wasn't the only person that got adoration in Sanalopa. Why engage? We stand out. It is because Evangelist Ebuka Obi did not come to Adoration Enugu as a nobody. Oh my, oh ne kwe ebian office here. If you picture a Reverend Father Ejike no protect for ministry. On our warfare, in other words, him coming to adoration is just to come and give you respect. And if at all know which is a picture to anywhere, it is still a mark of respect. So that does not mean that Nongo his father in ministry. You did not anoint him in ministry. Have you ever visited his ministry in Lagos? It's a question. Have you ever visited his ministry in Lagos? Did you anoint his altar? Have you keep Udana mass na his altar? What is all this? The jealousy and anyuku difenga. Which kind of jealousy and anyuku defa? Nkuku for that people na comment section momo unde ya be kono na inbox abe bia kono. Eh? Evangelist Ebuka Obi is just respect we for na enyegu. Onwere another thing minus that respect. There is nothing. Stop assuming that you are his father. You are not his father. And the mommy fi mean rubai na wata ye cheru da na ya nwo owebia so ba na eze. What do you mean by that? Onya we fe na ewegiwe. Na obia ya ri ike ku na enugbu obia lo we bia so na eze with you. Eh? Now you don't know the mystery of crowd, but you are the one who taught us the mystery of crowd. You are the one who know from that Jesus Christ is a crowd puller. That he's a crowd puller. I heard it from you. I heard it from your song where you were talking about crowd. Now, no miracle. Miracle is not a noun because no go na time of Evangelist Ebuka Obi. But during the time of the Bible, then prophecy. During the time of Chimaro Kenka. Emorosi feu, emorosi na God wumbo sorry or you do a miracle. You never knew that time. What I go? It's just because now overtaking Adugo. You are now trying to give us a message that we don't understand. If I jealousy, you are trying to justify if Evangelist Ebuka Obi na. You are trying to justify if Evangelist Ebuka Obi na Enugu by telling him that he should go and apologize to the people of Enugu. Ono na chokwu, ono na play serious jokes. You started giving example with Mbunubu Stadium for ball. Measure or wouldn't know a similar event or sports actually host na that stadium. Kelun actually host to Bosa Ebuka Bialo. Ayeju Echelu, Udosicha studio and everything. Then a night to the program at local stadium. Did he even call the governor of Enugu State? He said, "Namu believe na governor Amalo Make, but you want to instigate Evangelist Ebuka Obi against the people of Enugu and governor of Enugu State." You even went ahead to say, "No, no, no, na Evangelist Ebuka Obi ya bi Enugu no ya bi actually man also see you." I put it to you now by coming out to defend the governor, by coming out to defend the whole nonsense that you are aware, you try to stop him, but a walker. Because since you now came today in adoration to make it more clear. Evangelist Ebuka Obi All Zionites, I love you. Evangelist Ebuka Obi, I love you. Yes, all adorers, we love you. Rev Father Ejike Mbaka, I love you. But loving you does not mean that I will not tell you the truth. Nde chokwara bia ka onu so ha bia na comment section bia ka wono ogbasa hom ikocha onu onwe uke na agwa. Onwe uke na agwa. Stay away from Evangelist Ebuka Obi no ngo na acho yoku. Onye oso ya agwa no ngo na acho yoku. Na wo nde ya agwa ezioku. That young man has never mentioned your name. You started looking for his trouble. Ngu wonye bu uzo we kwaye ball. Ngu wonye bu uzo we to yiche. Ngu wonye bu uzo we kpalebe. Ngu wonye bu uzo doctor for dragging. In all those things, he has never mentioned your name. Are you the only powerful man of God from Enugu? Are you the only powerful big man of God from Enugu? Are you the only person? Yeah? But you have mentioned his name countless times. Have you ever heard Evangelist Ebuka Obi mention your name? Even one day. If you want to talk about bloggers, what of bloggers in Dotu? Evangelist Ebuka. What about bloggers in Denkeyu? Nekumake Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Edafufa. Evangelist Ebuka Obi ye wolu makifa munwa wezu gokulu. We merife. Or your word call my word call. So why ngwa yeju we wolu ife munwa kulu? Or if another person kulu we relate to Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Ana majuga ajuju. Some of the ajuju. If not that your mind had go so bitter against him. Onwere ba nyuku and jealousy ebujai. Owo nation no ya bia nugu no ya bia. Why are you not condemning nde cholo ka akwusia ye bia? Ese na obata oye jefu governor. Ebe ka edere na constitution. Na any minister battle no bode bia make crusade. No ye jefu governor. O maka na Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Owo pastor in the Assemblies of God. Ama hu nyowo. Ya say jefu governor. I are granted their access to go and see governor. Or will of evangelists from somewhere, maybe I go to Jesus. I grant you access to go and see the governor. Is it because no Evangelist Ebuka Obi? Or where apply ya for stadium? When ye contrary to Nkeru, or when onye kulu, on ya with a deva, any juhu na for, unebi to defend the unnecessary government. It's a long time, enough time, on priest of God, ye be they do, ya don't non-partisan in politics. Ya don't non-partisan in politics. You are now the mouthpiece of Governor Mbaka in Enugu State. You now defend Governor Mbaka at any slightest distance. What is the need for opposition? Oppositions can no longer talk because now a priest do karon But during the time of Chimaroke Naman, during the time of Jonathan, nenu afagana afio. Afagana afio. Onya wifa haneku. Nka na agwa nwere ike onwe onye ya agwa gị but I just nsị ka ngwa gị happy Evangelist Ebuka alone, leave him alone. Ono try ko unu resist stop where from ibi Enugu unu emenwure that order is not from the governor. Take it or leave it. Achozina ka ekokosi onye ọwụ n'isi ọnụ. Ono chọrọ ka unu je manipulate the machineries of the state against him. Ofeluo ono na-ekwu ojehofu governor ebe ka ọ dị na constitution. Evangelist Lagos State you know na SCC emeifa ojedanafu ifudana na government house Lagos ubone ka ifudana ala Ebuka na government house na Lagos oyeji obatazi Enugu iwu na oyeje iri Enugu ina hapụda ya no obiajanu crusade balance ofuma owu the same day Holland in Enugu the same day ka shot down stadium ebe oyemife ogbaruze jebe government house because no jeri jemegon he what go because no jeri jemegon. You are being too political for my liking. You are being too political for my liking. Yeah? You are being too political and aggressive for my liking. Leave that young guy alone. Leave that young man alone. Stay on your own. Maintain your lane. Maintain your lane. Maintain your lane. Happy yaka. Akoko ni ne na akokito wo nke mma. Eti picture, eti ho picture. The only time my man won't be video call or wow for Sharafansha and Domesha Fansha. Before then, who called you? Onye Pologafa. Yeah? Onye Pologafa. Even the same Ebuka has never mentioned your name since. Nka will go to episode 1. Kaiwe Shigatagwa.